Hi, Ron Rohde here again, and today we're going to be talking about the space that I use to store my track car. We're going to take a look at the parking space, some kind of tools that I use, and generally the space that you need to effectively work on your car. And I'll just walk around a couple of the handy features that I use, like a battery tender, the tire storage rack, and hopefully this will help you get a sense of what I use. Here's the front of the car. You can see how much clearance we have. I actually just washed the car, so it's nice and shiny. But I washed the car in this spot, and I don't have any problems with access all the way around the car. If I had a bigger car, I'd wonder if it might be tighter. Hi guys, so today we're going to be checking out my storage solution, and this is how I fit a track day in a fairly compact neighborhood. You can see I've got a third car covered spot. This is where I keep my Honda. I also have an extra set of wheels over here. And what's really nice about this particular carport or addition, because we have our daily driver. I have a Volvo S90. Check out my long-term review. 2018 Volvo S90, and as well as a Lexus SUV for my wife. So we have both of those in a normal two-car garage, plus we have this third spot for working on the car. I also have power, which is really nice. You can see this, I have a battery tender, and this is a really great feature to keep your battery alive for a track car. Doesn't run all that much. I highly recommend getting a battery tender. Now we can take a look. This is another space that I really like for working on. I have a rolling cart here, which is very handy for working on different items. If they're heavier, you can see something like brake rotors is very nice. Put them on the cart here, and then I can wheel it over to the carport without having to carry it. This is not the normal place, but this is my toolbox, and in here I keep all of my flammables. We have spray paint and different flammable fluids. Hopefully keeping them in this metal cabinet as opposed to wood or plastic would save the garage from going up if anything here did catch on fire. Also down low we have a lot of built-in storage. This is where I keep all of my jack stands, and I've got a lot, 6 different jack stands. I've found that for working on the car, 4 is kind of a minimum. And I use 1 or 2 more to lift up parts of the car just to set them on a little bit higher. So like calipers, set it on a brake stand instead of putting pressure on the line. So that's it. Thanks for watching and sharing my space with you. Stay tuned, hit like and the subscribe. I'm going to be going through a video of what I bring to the track, everything that I need and fits in the trunk of a Honda S2000, including a helmet and lots of spare parts.